Oh, hey y'all. I'm Taylor, and today I will be doing a honors chemistry project for you guys. So, I'm testing hair, pretty much. And what I want to do is how I'm going to my hypothesis is that how much heat is needed to actually start brittling hair, start damaging our hair, because our hair is, as far as ladies anyway, are pretty important to us. So we need to, this is how I'm going to test it. Alright, so a couple of things before I start. I am doing this on my laptop. So at first I didn't want to because it's really heavy and right now I'm holding it and again it's really heavy. But I tried to do it on my Kindle Fire and I don't have enough space on my phone, so those two didn't really work out so well since I have to hold stuff. And at least with this I can sit it down. Also, my voice is probably going to sound a little bad because I'm sick. So, but I wanted to get this project done. So, it's let me do it. Alright. So, I have my, I'm also in my bathroom, by the way. And so, I have my materials here. I have blow dryer. I'm going to use a sink for water. I also have this. I'm testing hair with this dry piece of clump of my own hair, which tells me I really need to start cleaning up my brush. Yeah. And then I also have this. Sorry, it's gonna be a lot of turning. This long piece of human hair. It says, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says 100% human hair. And that's what I'll be using to test with also. I'm going to wet it, which I actually already have since my other failed experiments, but yeah. So I'm going to be doing that. And yeah. So my mom won't let me use her hair, so I'm testing it with this one. So yeah. So I also have, scoop this down a little bit. I also have my thing of observations. It's talking about materials and my hypothesis, and the problem is how much heat is too much to cause damage to hair. And my hypothesis is that my dry, coarse hair will brittle faster than the wet piece of human hair. And I'm doing nothing to my hair but just drying it further just to see, test, will it be brittle if it's wet and then dried, or will it be brittle if it's dried all the way and then keep drying? Alright, so for my observations I have for my dry hair is that it's soft this is before I've done anything to it. Now it's soft and thick and dirty. Yeah, I need to wash my hair more. And very coarse, because I have very thick, coarse hair. Now, for the human hair, yeah, it's already wet, but I previously, before I even wet it, or anything, before I even started my 2 failed experiments, I wrote down observations for that. And so I said that it's, soft and thick as well. It's very bouncy, has a lot of luster, and it's clean as a cute little joke. And yeah, so I'm going to set a timer on my phone as well as play a little music for you guys. It's gonna get kind of boring if you just see a blow drying hair for 2-3 minutes, 3 minutes or whatever. So yeah, and I'm going to do that, and first I'm going to start with the hair. I already wet the human hair, so I'm just going to go on and start doing that. Okay? I'm going to place my laptop right here on my hamper, and so yeah, you guys can see this thing, can see the blow dryer and stuff. And I'm going to sit on the floor, and I'm going to go. So, yeah, and yeah, this is the wet hair. You can see at the ends that are pretty much dry. Alright. Now, the blow dryer also is going to be on high. So, yeah, you can see that. I'm turning it on. My bad. Hold on. Alright, so I stupidly forgot to start the timer and music for you guys. So hold on. I'm using my phone for that, by the way. yeah, so I stupidly exited out of Pandora, so I'm gonna see what else is on for you guys. Alright, so this is Chemicals React Remix Ali and AJ, or 78 Violets, what they're known by. And I have it on the high setting. I'm gonna set the timer to 3 minutes. And it's been started, and now I'm gonna blow dry. And I mean, anybody can do this experiment. It's pretty easy, pretty fun, pretty less costly. You can do whatever type of hair you wanted, and it's pretty easy. Minute left on the timer. Actually 2 minutes, I lied. And so yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good experiment, you know. Now I have a minute left on the timer. And it gets pretty hot in here with it on. Okay. Alright. Time is over. Oh. Also, what's playing right now is Brick by Boring Brick by Paramore, which I'm sure most of you like. At least I like a lot of rock pop music. I just wanted to play some pop music because most of my rock music has dirty words, and this is for grade, so I don't want to actually do that, you know? Alright. I'm gonna pause that for a second. Alright. So, I shall be right back. I need to get my pencil, but yeah, hold on. I'll be right back. Ugh. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Now I'm going to record the data for after I did the wet human hair. So now is this data is after I have blow dried it and wet it. And let's see. Alright. Alright, so I'm feeling it. It's actually softer than I thought it would have been, you know? It's not really all that worse. And, I mean, yeah, it's kind of fuzzy, but that's pretty much it. So, it's not really brittle or breakable or anything. It's the same as it kind of was when we first started. So, really, it had no effect. I'm going to write that. Hold on. And I'm going to write that down. Sorry of all the movement. I really don't have another device to do this on, so I'm trying to get this down. Okay. So, it's fluffy. Fluffy. Fluffy, same as started. Soft. Yeah. Soft. The same as it was before. Just, it's the same as when we first started. It really had no effect. So, no effect or brittled or damaged rather. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing sort of with my dry coarse hair, which when I was blow drying kind of landed on the floor with a little dust bunny. Okay, so I'm going to put this away. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna play some more music. I don't even know if you guys actually really heard any of that music. I'm sorry. I will place the phone this time on the computer so you guys can actually, you know, hear it. Maybe. Alright. So, I'm gonna play music, which is, by the way, again, Brick by Boring Brick by Paramore. Great band. Alright, and gonna start the timer again. 3 minutes. It's been started. Now, again, the blow dryer will be on high. Now, hold it as tight as I can so it doesn't blow out of my head. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here so my hand doesn't burn off. Probably should have worn gloves. See how they like kind of float up. Ah, okay. Sorry, my hands are kind of burning, so probably should have worn gloves before. 'Experiment, and it's costly and too much. I mean, I happen to find the human hair in my mom's closet, but you know, I mean, you can always buy it. It's not that much money, and hold on. I don't want to see how much time I have left. Sorry about that, y'all. 42 seconds.